Welcome in the Phuket Garage. Yes, I know it's the mess, but this is the place where the best idea starts, in the mess. Do you think that we know what we are doing? Absolutely no. By the way, oh, here's the guys. If you think we have any plans for this channel, no, we don't. You can expect in here everything. I think Bike Next to Me will be the first project on YouTube. I bought this accidentally, of course, on the auction. And it's used by time. Actually not, it's quite new bike, but it's hardly used in the forest. We need to, let's say, polish it, and we will see. We are used to outsource maintenance of the bike, but now we are taking things in our hands, and we will learn how to do it. Literally. We will test this bike after done before we give this to customer. I hope will be not any spectacular crash on the way. Bottom line, we do not have any experience in video, any fancy stuff and gear. So you will see here mechanical house, motorcycle adventures, and maybe some explosion. But anyway, we will do it. Episode is coming soon.
He's a fucking liar! Fucking liar!
First episode is coming soon. Let us what do you like to see in here. And remember, please subscribe. And see you on the garage or in the road. On the road. Kurwa. Co tam ekipa oglądająca?
Nie dźwięk, ale
Mama zobaczy.
mama wie, mama tak.